Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying your Windows 10 build and whether the system is 32 or 64-bit because installers differ. Next, open Control Panel and turn Windows features on or off to enable Internet Explorer 11. This restores the legacy browser shell. Once done, download the offline IE 11 installer or ensure you have admin rights. These steps prevent permission errors. Make sure to close modern browsers so system changes apply cleanly and to save any work before restarting. You run the IE 11 installer with administrative privileges and follow the installer prompts. This writes legacy binaries and registry keys. Once installed, open Internet Options to configure Compatibility View, security zones, and add trusted sites for internal apps that require old behaviors. Also set Protected Mode and ActiveX settings only if necessary, because they impact security. After configuration, pin IE to the taskbar or create a desktop shortcut so you can launch the legacy browser. You finish by testing the target site, and if rendering is off, open F12 Developer Tools to switch document modes. This shows how compatibility affects output. If IE does not launch, reinstall the feature or run SFC and DISM to repair corrupted system files, because many issues come from missing system components. For persistent compatibility problems, use Enterprise Mode or run an older Windows VM. These approaches isolate legacy behavior while keeping your main system secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.